Hi, I am Patrick van der Meer, Visualcoach, and we're still fixing our bootstrap upgrade from 3 to 4. This is the standard template and it shows no buttons for these links over here. They work. If I click one, they will go to whatever they are assigned to. But I need to see them like a button, like this one. Now this button, if I look in the code and I go to the index page, so I go to where all my CS HTML files are, I'll double click the index, and that's what we're seeing. So this first one has this class code with the primary button and in a large size. Alright. The other ones say we are default and not large. Now default does not exist anymore in Bootstrap 4. It was in 3, but it's not in 4. How do I know that? Well, if you look at the theme that we have and all the examples, so you pick all of these buttons, you can see actually that there is a primary class, secondary, success, index, warning and danger, and link, but no default. So we have to pick another button. So we can pick one of these buttons and the colors that stick out on here. So we have the example of how it's going to look on our website. We have the same theme, we have the darkly theme, so or we can do these open ones, the outlined buttons. Well, it's your pick. You know what, well, let's do the simple one. Let's just take one of these. Let's take the secondary. No, that will not be sticking out on the dark background. Okay, so that might be a plan. Should we do primary? Then it looks like the big button. I'll go with the success. Alright, so click on this button over here. Go to the third button that says OK, success. So this is the word that we need to replace the default. So we can just double click this, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, and we should have done all the work now. So save, then go to your page and refresh. And I've got 3 nice green buttons. Now if you don't like the color, make a different pick. Take a different theme, change things the way you like, but we have succeeded in changing all over the base code, all the Bootstrap code. So Bootstrap done, forget about it, or copy things that you need from the page when you need it. I'll do that just the same during the rest of the videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.